how to change time zone in Outlook Web. So if you want to change the time zone in Outlook Web, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Outlook on your browser. So open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go with outlook.live.com, which will open up your Outlook, right? So once you're under your Outlook, you need to just go with the upper right, which has that settings option. And from here, you can go with the search settings, or you can also go with the advanced settings. Under search, you need to search for time zone. Once you've searched, here you will have time zone option. Just click on the time zone. And from here, you need to select a time zone. Search for a city, or you can also add some time zone. So go with add time zone, and then you can add a time zone. So search for a city at first. After that, just click on the city and then go with save, which is on the bottom right, and your time zone has been saved. So that's it. That's how you can change your time zone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.